Hi everyone and welcome for today's video. We are starting out with a weird result and it is going to stay just like that. For this video I again wanted to play a bit with the 4K resolution setting of my camera. I wanted to figure out if it's really worth the effort filming in 4K and the editing, or if I can just remain at the regular filming resolution that I had for the other 300 videos that I already have on my channel. Or if I'm going to switch from time to time between the resolutions, just depending on the project ahead. For the project that I'm going to do here is just some experimentation, so I'm going to use two canvases that I already poured on, so I let this one dry. As you can see, the result was pretty ugly and therefore I just want to pour something over it. I want to try a technique where I put some kitchen cling film over it and see which effect I can get. So if I can get something cool out of it or not, we will find out. Probably I'm going to fail because I usually fail when I try some new techniques. But this time again I used some silicone in my paints. This is kind of a rare moment, so most of my videos lately have contained no silicone. This one here has, just to get some cells and to get some cool effects, hopefully. And you pretty much mix your colors as we do the regular way. Make a base layer of paint. I used a phthalo blue here, a white and a gold. And when the base layer is down, I put a circle or rings or a spiral more or less, of the white and the gold. Put the cling film over there, wrap it together, lift it up, kind of, and hope to get some cool effect there. So kind of intermixing of the spirals to get me some perhaps flower look effect. Not really sure if it turns out as I imagine it, but probably it won't. But nevertheless, I'm going to use my torch in the end to give it some heat to enable the cell creation. So I'm pretty curious which effect I can get there, if it's kind of pretty or if it just is not as pleasing as it was before the pour. We will see. And then I do have a second canvas, which I did a ring pour on earlier, which dried and doesn't really look that breathtaking. So I want to use the same technique with the switched color palette and see what happens. And as I already know what happens, because this is the voiceover of the video, I'm going to re-pour over the second one because I just didn't really like at all the result that I got there. And yeah, I just let you watch it. I already talked about 3 minutes in the video, so enjoy the video, enjoy the pouring and failure slash trying to rescue the painting, and we will see back in the end of the video. So see you then. And here we go. I must say I'm not super amazed about the first attempt. I kind of like the color palette, but it's more the design that is not my favorite one. Some of you might really like it, so the goal is cool, the cells are cool, colors are great. Yeah, just let me know if any of you would fall for the design. I think I'm just more into the ring pour kind of designs currently. The second one though, where I did the open cup thing and did some torching, I like how this one turned out. So the colors are really cool. I love how this design developed in a way. So I really like this one. I did film it outside, but we had no sunlight in the first attempt that I filmed it, so you can just see it in some kind of bright daylight. And in the end, sun came out for a couple of minutes, so I just jumped out of the terrace again and filmed it in sunlight so that you can see it probably a bit more shiny on the gold side. Yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to do more in the 4K again, or if you just do not really care and I can continue with the regular filming resolution. It was already HD, so it was high resolution, but not 4K. So just, let me know. Subscribe if you're new to my channel and like the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you want to get in touch with me, all my social media links are down below in the video description. The materials that I've used are there as well. And if you are curious what else I do, have a look at all my other videos. Just scroll through and see which video catches you the most. So, thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and other than that, I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.